Good morning, Internet. Welcome to NLSoft, owners of Nigerian.com. Today, I'm going to cover how to register for your TIN, tax identification number in Nigeria. Whether you're in Nigeria or outside Nigeria, the registration of TIN is as easy as ABCD. First of all, go to Nigerian.com and search for this guide. Okay, then give it a click. It will take you to the step-by-step post. Here I have analyzed everything you need to know about tax identification and process in which you can apply and get it. This is the official website from the government of Nigeria. You can click on it and it will take you to the next tab. If you're browsing from desktop computer, if you're browsing on mobile, just copy this link. Okay, the steps are simple. Visit the official website, which happens to be this. This is the official website. Are you seeing it? So once you are here, you need to proceed to apply. First of all, you need to ensure you have all these requirements. These are the basic requirements you need. Either you have a valid national identification number or driving license or international passport or a voter's card. Any of such can serve. Then bank verification number, which is BVN, then proof of address, utilities such as maybe your NEPA bill, okay, etc., or bank statements. Then passport photograph. Yes, you need a passport with your photo, with your phone. You can easily snap a passport. Then business registration, be it BN or RC, that is enterprise or business, from CAC. We also have a guide for that. Should you don't have a business certificate, it's as easy as ABCD. Then once you have all those things, you have to proceed to submit it. Once you submit it, it will be reviewed within 24 or 48 hours. And after review, they will approve it, assign you your TIN number alongside this certificate. From the back end here, you can easily download it. That is as easy as ABCD.